Welcome back to Great Day. They say don't ever judge a book by its cover. The same applies when shopping for your mattress. They all look pretty much the same on the outside, some pretty quilting and a design. Great Day's Christina Cooker uncovered the best ways to buy the perfect mattress at Texas Mattress Makers.
All right, hey guys, we're here at Texas Mattress Makers with Yuval Michler, and he's going to take us on a day in the life. Like, what's this place like? I know that you're known for a lot of things. You're known for, I believe, the best mattresses on earth. But what do you think you're known for?
I think we're known for giving people the right mattress that they need, not just selling a mattress, a rectangle. And for example, where you're standing, okay, this showroom back here represents a certain type of mattress. I love the way you do that.
I know. I could work here.
Yes, you can. So,
all right, so this room represents?
This room represents a certain type of quality for certain type of sleep, for certain types of folks, at certain sizes.
Okay.
Right? Folks don't think of, what does it matter a mattress? Well, it matters, a mattress matters. You're a perfect example. I know that you think you weigh something, and obviously you do, but you don't. When you're laying down, you weigh nothing per square foot. I take that into consideration. So when you walk in here, that's one of the things we do that is totally different. We ask you certain questions, all right? And then we lead you to where you should start. We will never tell you what is comfortable for you, but we will lead you to 3, maybe 4 different beds to make you feel certain things that we want you to feel. But we know why we're taking you to those beds, and they're not priced, let's say from 1 to 5 to 7 to 8. It's not going up in price.
Like that.
It's not, we do nothing with prices here. Rule number 1, you came to purchase a bed, you need to get the best bed that fits your body, period. So these 2 beds right here.
Right here? Okay.
Right here, okay? If you stand between them,
okay,
you can see just by standing between them that they're different in size and height. Right? This one here looks better than this one. The reality of it is that if you sat on this, go ahead, right? I know this is going to sound weird, but you feel something on your tush now, a certain amount of support.
Right.
All right? Now, if you just came over here, now you feel it different.
Yeah.
There you go. You see your face?
Yeah.
I know, as weird as it sounds, your face tells me exactly what I wanted you to know. Here, it looks good, but you have very little support. That is a very average way of manufacturing beds, and that is how other retailers sell it to you. Look at me.
Yeah. I'm
beautiful, I'm big, I'm fluffy for X. But it doesn't mean that it's good.
If you said, okay, pick one, I would have picked this one. And I imagine 100% of the people would pick this one.
That is correct.
When this is the better one.
That is correct. And the other stores would never argue with you. You know why? You picked it, you came here to buy. Yep. I'm going to get your money. Thank you, ma'am. Goodbye.
And you have everything kind of mixed in. So it's to me that says you want what's best for a customer.
I only want what is best for a customer. If I purchase something from you, irregardless of what it is, and I feel and I felt cheated or not educated properly, or just all you wanted is my money, I'm not going to be happy.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to be happy when I think of Christina down the road. I actually might even get very upset. That's what I want folks in Houston to understand. That is the biggest difference about us. We don't sell you a bed for a price. We sell you a bed, and then you pick the price based on the beds that you chose that accommodate your pocketbook.
Which here they all, I mean, I know everybody's different. Everybody has a different size pocketbook, but everything here is so affordable, and a lot of that, all of it, is because you do it all. I mean, you can see it right through the windows.
Correct.
And I've taken a tour before. Your warehouse is right here.
The warehouse is here. The factory is here. Everything, all the raw materials are here. They come in on a daily basis. We buy things on a daily basis because we do things differently. We don't have a production line that makes the same stamp every day, every day, every day. That's not what we do.
Right.
So to accommodate you, we have to be very different in the way we purchase our raw materials. And it's taken me many, many years to really do it well. It'll take me on an average of 5 days to get you your product to your home if you live in the Houston metropolitan area, okay?
Yeah.
Whatever it is that you want.
And I can speak to the rest of, I think I told you this, and the people that you have coming in people's homes, so courteous, so nice, so fast, but great work, so start to finish, you guys really get it. I think you're the most affordable, the most custom, the quickest, and it's like, I don't know, you're awesome.
I would speak in a different language, but thank you.
To see Texas Mattress Makers' entire selection of mattresses, including this month's sales and promotions, visit TexasMattressMakers.com or give them a call at 713-341-6252, 713-341-6252. You can also stop by their new showroom in Katy or visit their factory location on Navigation Boulevard.